The threat of fire is a concern for homeowners and businesses alike. When grass dies, it becomes more flammable and a greater fire risk. SYNLawn is committed to developing turf products that may help prevent the spread of fire and provide an invaluable window of time between the outbreak of the fire and the arrival of first responders, a critical time frame in which damage can be minimized and potentially lives saved. We have 8 certified E108 styles, and all of our products can help slow the spread of a fire in some way. These products have financial as well as safety benefits. For instance, if you live in a fire-prone area, you could possibly see a reduction in your insurance cost. Infill is applied to protect the turf fibers, but they could also act as a fire suppressant. We conduct regular testing to ensure that our products do exactly what they are designed to do. To learn more about our fire-related products, call your local SYNLawn provider today.